If you're facing questions like, why is my iCloud backup taking too long? Or why is my iCloud backup so slow? Worry not. This video dives into the reasons behind prolonged iCloud backups and provides efficient solutions to make iCloud backup faster. Let's delve into these solutions together. Part 2. Why does iCloud backup take so long? Backup file size, network connection, iPhone performance, iCloud server activity, iPhone system update. Part 3. How to make iCloud backup faster. 5 tips. Tip 1. Free up space on iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. Tip 2. Disable large files backup. Tip 3. Check internet connection. Tip 4. Avoid unnecessary backups. Tip 5. Regularly backup your iPhone or iPad. Part 4. How to backup iPhone or iPad faster without iCloud. iCloud generates new files with each backup, leading to unnecessary storage usage. Enter Mobikin Assistant for iOS, a user-friendly alternative. This iPhone data management tool ensures efficient device management. Now, let's follow the steps below to use Assistant for iOS to backup your iPhone to computer without iCloud. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to PC. Step 2. Select the files you need. Step 3. Start backing up iPhone files to PC.